Space has a sound, and it's eerie. It's not the kind of sound you can hear with your ears. There's no air out there, no wind, no echo, only silence. At least, that's what we thought. When NASA recorded electromagnetic waves moving through planets and plasma, they converted them into audio, and what came back was unsettling. Around Saturn, the Cassini probe captured a deep metallic hum that rose and fell like breathing. Near Jupiter, the frequencies turned chaotic, like static and thunder fighting in the dark. Every world gives off its own strange rhythm, vibrations that tell the story of storms, radiation, and magnetic fields colliding across the void. It turns out space isn't silent at all. It's alive with echoes we were never meant to hear.